Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on December the 22nd, 2020. Tesla drops on debut day as Apple goes car making. Tesla shares fell sharply on the day they debuted in the S&P 500 index on Monday, with losses accelerating after news that Apple could potentially become Tesla's rival in electric car production. In terms of trading volume, Tesla is the leader on Wall Street with an average of $18 billion in transactions in the company's securities in each session over the past 12 months. Shares of Elon Musk's company have fallen 6.5% since the previous session's record peak, the steepest one-day drop in a week. The decline worsened toward the end of the session after Reuters reported on Apple's plans to launch a passenger car by 2024, possibly using its own revolutionary battery technology. U.S. Congress approves new pandemic relief package. The U.S. Congress on Monday approved $892 billion in new budget stimulus to support the pandemic-hit economy. Thus, after days of heated debate, both houses of Congress worked through the dead of night to pass the bill. The total is about $2.3 trillion and includes spending on federal programs through the end of the fiscal year. President Donald Trump is expected to sign the bill. The plan includes direct payments of $600 for most Americans and an increase in unemployment benefits. It also includes extending the small business loan program by about $284 billion in funds for schools, airlines, and vaccine distribution. Asian shares fall as UK closes on new virus strain. Asia-Pacific stock markets fell Tuesday morning due to a new strain of COVID-19, which threatens to trigger a new wave of quarantine and travel restrictions, dampening sentiment. Japan's Nikkei 225 index was down 0.45%, and South Korea's Kospi dropped 0.49%. China's Shanghai Composite Index fell 0.21%, and Shenzhen Component fell 0.33%. The U.S. Commerce Department added more than 100 Chinese and Russian companies to a new blacklist of firms it says have ties to the armed forces of those countries. The discovery of new strain, also called B.1.1.7, led London to enter a higher-level emergency blockade and caused European indexes to plunge to their lowest level since October, while global indexes also retreated from their all-time highs of the previous week. U.S. shows list of banned Russian and Chinese firms. The administration of U.S. President Donald Trump on Monday published a list of Chinese and Russian companies allegedly linked to the military, restricting their access to a wide range of U.S. goods and technology. In November, the U.S. DOC compiled a preliminary list of companies associated with the armed forces of China and Russia. The final list includes 103 organizations, including 45 Russian ones. The Chinese part of the final list includes Shanghai Aviation Design and Research Institute, which develops Comac aircraft, and Shanghai Aircraft Manufacturing Co., with manufacturers them. The Russian part of the list includes several state defense enterprises and institutes, the Rostec State Corporation and its subsidiaries connected primarily with aircraft construction.